वेलकम टू माय चैनल प्लस पॉजिटिव पॉइंट। मैं आपको केवाईपी के बीएससीएलएस के फाइनल एग्ज़ाम में आने वाले प्रश्नों का हल करवाऊंगा। तो देर न करते हुए मैं प्रश्नों को शुरू करता हूं। हियर टेक दिस फोल्डर एंड पुट इट ऑन द डेस्क। वैसे मैं आंसर को हाईलाइट कर दिया हूं, आप यहाँ से देख भी सकते हैं। जो हाईलाइट है उन्हीं को मैं यहाँ पर पढ़ते हुए आगे बढ़ूँगा। आई वुड लाइक टू वॉच टीवी, देयर इज़ गुड फिल्म ऑन। दोज गर्ल्स ऑलवेज लिसन टू लाउड म्यूजिक। दोज गर्ल्स ऑलवेज लिसन टू लाउड म्यूजिक। My friend Anita loves sports. My friend Anita loves sports. Tell me, are you coming to the party? Tell me, are you coming to the party? The swimming pool opens at 7 o'clock in the morning. The swimming pool opens at 7 o'clock in the morning. The heritage property is always the most luxurious hotel to stay in. The heritage property is always the most luxurious hotel to stay in. Which is the correct sentence? He usually feels terrible if he loses his temper. He usually feels terrible if he loses his temper. Good students always do their homework. Good students always do their homework. They have a cat and dog. They have a cat on dog. This scarf is more beautiful than the one in the window. This scarf is more beautiful than the one in the window. What does she do in her free time? What does she do in her free time? Somebody must have taken my cell phone. Somebody must have taken my cell phone. She does not want to stay at home. She does not want to stay at home. Where did they go yesterday? Where did they go yesterday? You are the meanest person I have ever seen in my life. You are the meanest person I have ever seen in my life. These colors are the most amazing I have ever seen. These colors are the most amazing I have ever seen. Which is the correct sentence? कौन सा सेंटेंस सही है? We always watch television in the evening. We always watch television in the evening. The Taj was most expensive than the Holiday Inn. The Taj was most expensive than the Holiday Inn. Ramji is a better gardener than Santosh. Ramji is a better gardener than Santosh. Look at this newspaper here. Look at this newspaper here. Which is the correct sentence? She always complains about her husband. She always complains about her husband. Which is the correct sentence? I always go jogging in the morning. I always go jogging in the morning. Which is the correct sentence? कौन सा सेंटेंस सही है? I always eat vegetables and fruits. That big building over there is the parliament. That big building over there is the parliament. Fill in the blanks with correct option so this becomes an order, जिनसे कि ऑर्डर का सूचित होता है. डोंट प्ले फुटबॉल इन द यार्ड. डोंट प्ले फुटबॉल इन द यार्ड. प्लीज विजिट आवर वेबसाइट फॉर मोर डिटेल्स. प्लीज विजिट आवर वेबसाइट फॉर मोर डिटेल्स. माई सन लाइक्स ए वीडियो गेम फॉर हिज बर्थडे. My son likes a video game for his birthday. Anita plays tennis very well. Anita plays tennis very well. I like lions and tigers very much. The Olympic Games take place every 4 years. The Olympic Games take place every 4 years. Are these your pencils in the box? Are these your pencils in the box? They would like to buy a house, but they haven't got enough money. They would like to buy a house, but they haven't got enough money. She has never done something like that before. She has never done something like that before. Fill in the blanks with correct option so that this become in order, जिनसे कि ऑर्डर सूचित होता है. Go up stairs. Go up stairs. Fill in the blanks with correct options so that this become in order. Don't swim. Don't swim in this lake. Don't swim in this lake. I would like to have a car. I would like to have a car. They have a cat and dog. They have ए कैट एंड डॉग। माइक लाइक्स चिल्ड्रन वेरी मच। माइक लाइक्स चिल्ड्रन वेरी मच। शी लाइक्स प्लेइंग टेनिस। शी लाइक प्लेइंग टेनिस। fill in the blanks with correct option so that this become an order. Don't be late. Don't be late for school. I never drink coffee. I never drink coffee. What do you do every Sunday? What do you do every Sunday? You should not have called him a fool. You should not have called him a fool. ये भी ऑर्डर वाला है। Don't play football in the yard. Don't play football in the yard. N would like to work for this company. N would like to work for this company. I would like to eat a pizza tonight. I would like to eat a pizza tonight. Bad driving causes many accidents. Bad driving causes many accidents. It close at 9 o'clock in the evening. It close at 9 o'clock in the evening. ये भी ऑर्डर वाला है। Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Anita plays tennis very well. Anita plays tennis very well. I am hungry. I am hungry. You chosen the wrong dress for the interview. You chosen the wrong dress for the interview. My student a little speak. My students speak a little English. My student speak a little English. How much is it? How much is it? You have been reading non-stop for hours, so you must be very tired. You have been reading non-stop for hours, so you must be very tired. They have finished the job. They will help you. They will help you. He has called me twice this morning. He has called me twice this morning. मुझे याद है तब दिन भर बहुत बारिश हुई थी। इसका होगा I remember it was raining heavily all day. I remember it was raining heavily all day. नेक्स्ट है, इसका हिंदी करना है। दे पोस्ट सो मैनी थिंग्स देयर मैनी टाइम्स ए डे। हिंदी होगा वे दिन में से अनेक बार बहुत सी कहानियाँ पोस्ट करते हैं। वे दिन में अनेकों बार बहुत सी कहानियाँ पोस्ट करते हैं। आप अपने मित्रों को और अन्य जगहों को यह संदेश औरों तक पहुंचा सकते हैं। इसका ट्रांसलेशन होगा यू कैन स्प्रेड द मैसेज बाय गिविंग दिस बुकलेट टू योर फ्रेंड्स एंड अदर पीपुल। इसका हिंदी होगा बट इन कोल्ड कंट्रीज द विंटर काउजेज सम ट्रीज टू शेड दियर लीव्स। इसका हिंदी होगा पर शीत हवा के देशों में ठंड के चलते कुछ पौधों के पत्ते गीले हो जाते हैं। हम जब ऐसे बाहर खुली हवा में होते हैं तो ठंडी हवा अपने साथ फूलों की खुशबू लाती है। इसका ट्रांसलेशन होगा द कूल ब्रीज ब्रिंग द फ्रेग्रेंस ऑफ विल्ड फ्लावर्स व्हेन यू आर आउटडोर लाइक दिस। द कूल ब्रीज ब्रिंग द फ्रेग्रेंस ऑफ विल्ड फ्लावर्स व्हेन यू आर आउटडोर लाइक दिस। हमारे राज्य का हवामान कितनी जल्दी से और उपेक्षित रूप से बदल रही है। इसका ट्रांसलेशन होगा माई स्टेट क्लाइमेट चेंजिंग सो क्विकली एंड अनप्रिडिक्टेबली। माई स्टेट क्लाइमेट चेंजिंग सो क्विकली एंड अनप्रेडिक्टेबली। लास्ट और अंतिम क्वेश्चन है बट आई वॉन्ट टू बी ए प्रोफेशनल डांसर एंड मेक ए बिग नेम। इसका हिंदी होगा पर मुझे व्यावसायिक नर्तकी बनना है और बड़ा नाम कमाना है। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू।